Today we've got this beautiful 2002 bubble hood LB7, one of the best body styles ever made by GM. And we've got some really sweet upgrades from Diode Dynamics. It's going to be the D-Switch and some rock lights. This customer wanted to really elevate this older truck and have some customizable features that are on a nice push button switch panel. And the Diode Dynamics D-Switch is where it's at. So it's a super easy upgrade that makes all your wiring way easier. If you have a lot of accessories that you're gonna wire up, if you're doing light bars, light pods, you just want like his mirror lights, rock lights, anything with lights or power or winches, anything like that, the Diode Dynamic D-Switch is where it's at. And the reason being, it's fully customizable, so you can change the 8 buttons to anything that you want. You have a fully customizable app where you can change power output levels. You can do pretty much anything you want with a Diode Dynamics D-Switch. It's a super cool upgrade that is super clean under the hood and is an awesome way to control all of your accessories. Let's take a look at this D-Switch. Under the hood, you can see here, this is the D-Switch. We mounted it right back here, super clean, goes great with the fuse box. Taking the lid off, you can see you've got everything here. You've got your main power and your main ground, and then you've got your high 30 amp bus bar, and then you've got your standard 15 amp bus bar. So switches 1 through 4 here, switches 5 through 8 here. So even if you're running those large accessories, you can do it through this bus bar here. So anything 30 amp, you're good to rock on that one. It's a really, really nice, clean setup. And you know what? If you got a cool set of Diode Dynamics lights to match with the D-Switch, you can actually wire in the backlighting. That's what that third bus bar is for. So it's gonna be a really, really cool solution for anybody trying to run these cool aftermarket accessories and upgrading their Duramax. Another really cool feature is that this thing's actually fully weather sealed. So in addition to having this cover on there, it's got full epoxy over all the critical components. So you don't have to worry about splashing water, mud, dirt, anything getting in here. You're all covered. All right, so now that we're inside this truck, you can see that it's in a super sleek upper console mount. This is gonna be a custom 3D printed mount that this customer had done. And then it's on a super simple switch. You can wire it up a couple different ways to kind of turn it on. It has a dedicated power on off switch. So if you don't want to drain your batteries, just make sure to turn it on or off, or you can wire it into with the key and the ignition and stuff there. But this is super nice, super customizable. If you're out at shows, you want to turn it on for the show, you can just click this button, turn it on, and then you're good to go. Another cool thing is once you click the button here, it actually lights up a different color. So this is a customizable color, and you can kind of change that within the app. So again, infinite customizability. They've got a ton of different stickers, so you can wire up just about anything to any of these switches, and you'll be covered with a nice custom switch. You can also customize it on the app as well. Then you've got your backlight switch here. So I know this is an 8-gang D-Switch, which is 8 buttons, but you've got the dedicated power and the backlight. So it's basically a 10 switch option. It's really, really cool. All right, once you see that this Diode Dynamics logo is lit up red, that means your phone's connected. So you've got the iPhone app on right here, and you can see that it basically is a mirror of that switch panel. So you've got your reverse lights, rock lights, you can do all lights on, and then this one has strobe, and you can change the function of how these work. So I've got to hold down the strobe button in order for that to work. It's not just a click, so you can kind of change how that works. The all lights on, that's gonna turn on your reverse and the rock lights. And then you've got your reverse lights by themselves, and then you got your rock lights. So that's a super cool way to be able to do it from your phone. If you're out at a show talking to your buddies and you want to show off all your Diode Dynamics stuff, this is a great way to do it. And then you've got basically infinite settings for anything you want to change on here. Go to your buttons, you can change the logos, the names, how they work. So you can do that all right here. Then you've got your button backlight. This is pretty cool. So this actually changes it on the switch itself. So you can change it to like green or blue or even red, whatever color you want. You can see it's got the full color gamut here. So you can do just about anything. And yeah, it's gonna change it on the switch itself. So pretty much instantly from the app to the switch. We go back to white on here. You can change what it lights up as once you select the button. Then you've got your button warnings. Basically this one's red because the warning is bad. And then you've got your sensor wire, so you can decide what you want to turn this thing on. You can have it on with the ignition or a couple different things there. You've got your output channel. So for channel 1, you can change your actual max output. So currently it's set at 15 amps. It's because the lights are set at a 15 amp. But if you have a small wiring or small electronic device that you want to control at, let's say, 10 amps, you can also do that, and it's basically an electronic digital breaker switch. So no need to fry wiring or anything like that. This will actually handle it for you, and it's fully customizable per switch. Like I said, the first 4 are 15 amp max, and then the 5 through 8 are going to be the 30 amp max. And then you've got your system controller set up so you can see what the voltage is. You can see, okay, let's turn Bluetooth off after 30 minutes. You can change Celsius, Fahrenheit. You could do auto off. You could do basically anything on here. You could change the name. If you get low voltage, if your battery gets below a certain point, you can have it auto turn off because you don't want it to kill your battery. So it's super cool and super customizable. So there's really anything that you want to do is available on the app that goes into even more depth than it does on your switch itself. Now let's take a look at the rock lights that have been paired with this D-Switch. These are going to be the single color rock lights. Diode Dynamics offers 2 different versions. You've got your RGB, which has multiple colors obviously, and then you've got your single color, which is this one. This one has 2 different modes. So you've got your normal mode, which it's on now, and then you've got your low power mode, which it's on now. So low power mode is pretty much what all those crappy eBay, Amazon ones are. But if you're at a show, you don't really need to light everything up. You can do this one, or you can just go full bore and go with the super bright one. The bright one's going to be equivalent to about 3 to 5 of those other rock lights that you can get for super cheap. So you're going to be spending more on those cheap lights and probably replacing them a whole lot more anyways, where the Diode Dynamics has a super solid warranty that you'll be able to use in case of any issues, but these things are going to last a whole lot longer. In addition to that, your RGB lights are actually going to be a little bit more dim. So if you want the max output, you're going to want to go with the single color. And they do come with other lenses. So if you want to have like red, green, or amber. So if you go ahead and pop one of those covers onto your single color rock lights, you'll be able to kind of change that color and you'll get a nice custom look on your truck with more output than their RGB ones. So that was something really interesting that when we were talking to them at SEMA that I kind of learned about their rock lights. So the Diode Dynamics D-Switch is a great upgrade for anyone running any sort of accessories on your truck. Don't have those normal rocker switches. They're cheap, they look cheap, and this is a really nice elevated solution that's gonna make you stand out from just your standard home-built truck. This is a really good upgrade, and you can get yours for your Duramax at dmaxstore.com.